Welcome to beautiful Glendale, Arizona. Did you need a guest house? This home right here is in central location. The model that we're going to walk through is simply amazing. It has a full one-bedroom guest house. Out here in Arizona, we are under 600,000, and these homes are available right now. So throughout the community, there's going to be move-in ready homes, and then there's going to be ready to build home. Depending on where you are in your purchase, what's important to you would be kind of how you decide which home to go with. These particular homes that I'm going to talk about today, they do have spec homes available. Spec homes are the ones that are quick move-ins, lower interest rates, free things, lots of upgrades, and you'll be in your home before the holidays even get here. So it is July 2026, and right now interest rates on these homes start at 3.75. So you're going to get a house, a guest house, with a 3-car garage, great location, and you're under $600,000, and your payment is going to be amazing. With the interest rates being as low as they are today, and full disclosure, that's for today only. Tomorrow the rates could change. We're out in the heat. Josh is giving me the cue. We're going to head on in. Main home, you're over 2,200 square feet. 1-bedroom guest house, which the entry is right here. This is going to be over 700 square feet. Own entry, own garage, laundry room, kitchen, and its own 1-bedroom. It's a great option if you have family visiting, need a little bit of income. This is a great way to go. All right, let's see. We're still unlocked, Josh. We're going to head on in, and bada bing, bada boom. Welcome to your new home. So this home right here is an open floor plan, so it's laid out pretty nicely. As we entered, we passed the open den area, which could be considered an office space, a bedroom also if you threw a door up. So this front room right here is going to be to your left when you walk in. It's a great area right here. You have a closet there for some storage. They have it set up as an office. You could set this up as a bedroom, as an office, as a den area, whatever you need, whatever your vibe is, this little flex room could be it for you. You also have this wonderful entry. I would myself put some wood features up here, a chandelier, make it a little bit more grand because it's a really good area. As you walk in through, you're going to have the nice tall ceilings. They do have a super slider in this one that faces the backyard, large patio. We're not going to be able to go out there today, guys, because when you visit the new build homes, safety resident. Oh no, I think Josh pried it open. Yeah, you can open it. So typically we don't go out there. But if you've worked with me or you know me, you know that my husband's always touching things and doing things that give me extreme anxiety.
Well,
and
technically we're not supposed to open it, but
he did.
Because there's a pool out there.
There's a pool out there, and it's 115, I think, today, 117. We're having a hot streak right now, warm streak. But we'll go out and adventure out there. Right here is your living space, your heart of your home. You have a wonderful kitchen. This kitchen is the chef's kitchen. This is an amazing upgrade when you go this option. They do have gas in here, quartz countertops. They did the built-in microwave. They also did the wine cooler, so it's a beautiful kitchen. You have a nice little formal dining space right here, or a breakfast nook. They did a little bit more formal, which I think looks really great. If you wanted something a little bit more relaxing, you could set this up with chairs, more of a sitting area if you don't need dining. It's a good size insert here, so you have opportunity to use it for what you like. As we walk this way, they also went in with the tile in here, so a lot of the homes in this community are going to have tile and carpets in the bedrooms, but main areas will be the tile. This kitchen right here also features a pantry, so if you need storage, it has pretty good storage, extra tall cabinets, good sized walk-in pantry right here. So you can do those Costco runs, and then that way you always have food and ready to go. And location, so Costco, the Glendale Stadium, the outlets if you're a shopper, restaurants, BJ's, all that's pretty centrally located. You're next to the 101 freeway and the 10 out here in Glendale, Arizona. So location-wise, you're close to everything. It's a really desirable area just because you can get to point A and point B pretty quickly, just because of where it's positioned out here in Phoenix, Arizona. So location's great. Amenities are amazing. So amenities in this new build community, you have pools, you have tennis courts, parks. It's called Weston Garden. It's right here. If it wasn't so hot out, I would walk you guys over there. But if you comment below that you want to see it in person, Josh and I will come back out and bring you to these amenities in person to check them out. But look how amazing this is. So it's not fully built out, but the pool is there. So there's a lot of parking. They do have a dog park over here. So a lot of great things. And it's a brand new community. So you'd be buying before it's built out, which is awesome. That's when you always get the best pricing, the best deals, and the most equity growth. So when you're buying a new build home and you're buying more to the beginning of the build of the community, that's when you're going to see pricing and appraisals come in. You might come in and own this home with $20,000 to $40,000 more in equity than you actually paid, being you are in a new build community, and the prices are negotiable. So our deal that I get for you might not be the same deal as your neighbor got with the same house. Just a little FYI. It depends on who you're working with. And as we come in here, this is one of the guest bathrooms in the main home. So you do have a tub and shower enclosure. It's a pretty deep tub, so really good if you're a soaker and you want to relax. It's a good little space. You do have a wonderful sink area over here with drawers. So again, storage is great. And it leads right down here to the 2 secondary bedrooms, which are great size, super private. And of course, they decorated them super cute, as usual. But you could do this too. It's an accent wall. Accent wall, you go to TJ Maxx, you go to Home Goods, find a couple lamps. You can make your home. When you buy a new build, a lot of my clients will come back, take pictures and videos of the models, and then find the items. The thing about the internet nowadays is you can take a picture of that picture right there, plug it in, and it'll send you the link to purchase it. So it makes it a little bit easy when you want to decorate your house, and especially if you love the aesthetics of the new build homes. The next secondary bedroom, it's pretty much the same size as the other one, so no arguing gonna go on. Everyone's gonna be happy. And again, pretty private over here. Nice tall doorways, tall ceilings. Most of the homes will come not with the lighting that you're seeing, but definitely the electrical wires will be in place. So you just either hire an electrician, or if you're handy yourself, put a ceiling fan, put a light fixture in, but you get to pick what's in here when it's finished. They went ahead and wallpapered the back wall. So the fun things we're seeing in 2026 would definitely be wallpaper, accent walls. Colors are more neutral, more browns and warms, seeing less grays and blacks. Definitely the year of the warm and cozy, I would call it. All right, so we're gonna head back this way. As we go to the other side of the house, we're gonna enter the area where the owner's suite is. And again, it's a split floor plan, so you have a lot of privacy. And it has its own hallway, so you feel really good and quiet and private back here. It is a great size room. So they have a king bed in here, large furniture. You have great views of your backyard. So it's a great layout, a lot of options in here. And again, you have a nice carpet in the bedroom, super plushy, tall ceilings. The walls will all be painted when you move in. Everything's ready to go. All you got to do is pack your stuff, move on in, give it a little clean, and you got a brand new home. As we leave the ensuite, we're going to step into the large bathroom. So this is nice and wide. They separated the sinks, which is wonderful. You get double the drawer space, double the counter space. It's pretty spacious in here, and you have room over there if you want to put a vanity. So they did a good job when it comes to storage and the closet. Bada bing, bada boom. I could do cartwheels in here. So this is a great closet. I probably would have attempted a cartwheel, but I'm getting older and sometimes those things don't go as planned. But look at this closet, Josh. There's room for both of us in here. Look at this is pretty nice. It's a huge closet. Finally. I mean,
a closet that can fit all of Angela's belongings.
Don't listen to his craziness. I have downsized, guys. I've definitely stopped purchasing everything I see and been more selective just because we don't have the space. We actually downsized into a condo, so our closet's probably about this big. So it's been an adventure. We always will appreciate a great closet. So this right here is off of the master, so you're gonna have plenty of storage. And of course, right here, you have your private throne area. Dun, dun, dun. And a linen closet. So again, great storage. If you're thinking about buying a home in Glendale, Arizona, if this is going to be your first home, don't be nervous. We do free buyer consultations. Comment Glendale down below. We will get in touch with you, give you a free buyer consult so you'll know how to get started, where the location should be, what your buying power looks like, inspections, all the boring stuff, but the stuff you need to know to get you on to the next step. So they did a great job in this laundry room, washer dryer combo right here, another storage area here, cabinets, chairs, whatever you want to fit there, maybe a freezer. You're definitely going to have space to do it in this laundry room. It's a great size. And now, dun, 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 we're going to sneak peek into the guest house.
What is this?
The guest house. Oh, that is another closet, another storage area, Josh. Boom, ba-doo. Josh's closet. So, this is the guest house. So if you have in-laws, family members, furnish finder, you want a separate area and bang for your buck, I am going to give a NextGen home a 10 plus all day long. So again, another great kitchen. Cabinets match the main home, same appliances, stainless steel package, quartz countertop, large family room, and they have their own garage space. Right here, you also have your own side patio, which is great. So a lot of privacy on this one bedroom guest house over here, which makes it super fun and appealing. And out here, we have your own private courtyard area. So this one right here, they put the fence up. There's a gas hub out here. You have your barbecue station, some pavers. So if you have family staying, they have their own area. You know, it's always nice to have company, but sometimes it's nice to have your own space too. The gated entrance, it's pretty sweet. All right, so as we come back in, we're going to head on that way and head on over to the master bedroom of the the one bedroom on the one bedroom guest house. All right, so we're going to head down this way. And this is how they have it set up. So we're going to go into the bathroom first. It's a larger bathroom and larger closet. You also get washer and dryer. So your guests have everything they need right here. Stand-up shower, a beautiful sink, some more quartz countertops.
These are 10-foot ceilings.
They're pretty nice ceilings, and the height of the doors, everything's definitely well done. Lots of space. You have this laundry area in here with walk-in closet. So again, if you have company and they need their own area, this is great. They're going to feel comfortable and welcomed. In the bedroom, it's a full one bedroom right here. So it's a great size. You can fit a king bed in here if you wanted to. They have larger furniture in here. And it's private. So again, a great house out here in Glendale, Arizona. If you're looking for a home with a guest house, multi-generational living, income opportunity, this could be it. This is a great little find. I'm going to head out to the one-car garage. I think we can get out here. And again, this is just for the guest house. They have their own garage area too. So bada bing, bada boom. All right, as we head on out, we're going to go on that way, Josh. And thank everyone for coming, stopping by. Oh, Jesus. We did go. Oh, we didn't go in the backyard. Oh, my Lord. Stop the wreckage. We're going to go to the backyard next. So we're going to head back out the guest house. I think it's just because when we come into these NextGen homes, I'm always amazed at what you get, especially for pricing. To be able to have a second home, a second option would be wonderful. This would actually be great if you work from home and you want your own office space. This is perfect. NextGen options throughout the valley. So we do have the list. If you are looking in Surprise, Chandler, Gilbert, Scottsdale, Tempe, Phoenix, we have a list of new builds, different pricing, different amenities, of course, but there's some hot deals out here. So if you're a first-time home buyer, now's the time to do it, guys. It is summer 2026. Stop waiting, stop renting, buy your own house. I mean, if you're able to pay $2,500 to $3,000 a month, you could own your own home. That's what you can get out here in these amazing new home construction communities. The incentives are amazing, brand new home, super efficient. This one right here, they went ahead and put a pool in their backyard. So yes, your backyards are big enough for pools. It's definitely something that if you're thinking about it, reach out. Let's see what the next step would be. And we'd love to help you get there. But some of them will allow you to also put the pool in. Timelines would depend. And again, all those questions we can go through when we meet for your buyer consult. As we head out, I just want to say thank you so much for joining us in beautiful Glendale, Arizona. If you're looking for a home with a guest house, RV garage, central location, affordable pricing, great interest rates, this could be the one for you.